Hey guys, I'm Ashley and this is Chip Builds, and today we're going to make a super quick and dirty planer cart. I bought a piece of 3/4 inch plywood and I had the guys at Home Depot cut it down for me so that I could fit it into my car. Once I got the wood home, I started cutting it down to the correct size for the top and the bottom. Once I had the size I wanted, I could use that piece to figure out the width that I needed to cut the other piece so that it matched perfectly. I decided to use pocket holes for this project because I knew they would be strong and it would be really quick to do. I used the fence on my table saw to make sure that everything was going to be straight and lined up. Since I was putting locking casters on this cart, I didn't have any screws with a fat enough head, so I needed to get some washers to put on these screws, that way that when it slipped through the hole and it would keep it nice and tight. Once the frame was done, I cut out a back piece and I put some 1-inch screws in just to hold it together. So here's the finished cart as of right now. Eventually I am going to go back and make some drawers to fill in. That way I can have some storage under this for the planer cart to put various other things. In the future I might convert this into a flip top cart. Just at the moment all I really needed it for was to lift the 80-pound planer off the floor. Well guys, thanks for checking out this video. I made this cart so that it would be my height specifically. I'm pretty short, so I made it so that I don't really have to lift my arms very high or bend over or anything, since this thing is super heavy. It weighs like 80 pounds. And I put it on rolling casters, just that way it's easier to move around, and overall it came out pretty great. Eventually I am going to make drawers to go with it, so stay tuned for that video that will come out shortly. So thanks for watching.